So, good morning, guys. Today we are solving this problem, and the problem is over here. The problem is finding the missing elements in the second element of an array. So, what you can see is we have basically two arrays, A and B, and we have to find those elements which are missing in the second element, and those array elements which are actually missing in the second element. And if you see very clearly, you are given 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in the first array, and B as 2, 3, 1, 0, 5. What we are going to find is like 4 and 10 are present in the first array, right? But they're not present in the second array. So, and 1, 2, and 3, 0, 1, 2, and 3, this is also present in the first array. And in the second array, the elements of first array which is not present in the second array, we have to print that. So we are given, this is a medium level question on GFG, and this is our problem. We have to take two arrays of two different sizes, and we have to do the task, and n plus m is the space complexity. Okay, so we have to do this. You can see the given template. We have to do this using array list, and we have to return a list. So let's make a new list, say array list, array list. We can say this list as integer type, and the list name is abc equals to new array list. Okay, so we have defined the array list. Now what we are going to do is we are going to store the elements in a set, right? So we can write is a hash set equals to new hash set. So what is the say set B is the new hash set. What we are going to basically do is now we are going to check the elements, right? So for we can write int I to the array where we are going to put. So we can like fill and check the array. So basically solve this problem over here. You can easily check over here. We have use of hash set over here, and also we have to add the elements of the second array, right? So in the elements of the second array. So what we're going to do is basically we have to make a list, and the list will basically store the values present in the second array. So clearly we can see the second array is B, and in the B array, from the B array we have to store the elements, right? So also the type of the hash set we have to define, like this similarly we have defined for here. So we can say abc dot add B. So we can see that we are adding the list over here. So we can see the elements over here. Next we are going to define another loop, int I say a. So in this particular element, what we are going to check if those elements which are not present in the second array. So we can write if not present in the second array. So set B is the array of set contains I. So what we can do is we can add the elements into this array ABC. Since we have to add the elements, so we can easily add it into our array. So we can write that like the way we have written over here, miss.add. So we have created the thing. Similarly, what we're going to do is, since over here we have to add it in the set B, and over here we have to add the elements in the array list. So dot add I. So we have completed the for loop, the array list, and before that we have to return the ABC, right? So let's compile and check. Yeah, so submit our solution. It's an easy problem, but I don't know why they've given it a medium best problems. So it's pretty easy, and I will run the dry run of this particular code as well. So basically what we have to do is, first we have to create a new array list. Oops. Create a new array list. Create a new hash set, and over here to add elements of second array in the set, to add those elements which are not present in, like to add those elements from the set to the new array list which are not present, So we can see for the first array not present in the first array. So yeah, now finally return the updated list. So we will dry run this particular program over here. So compile So say for example, the size of our first array is 4, size of our second array is also 4. In the first array, we are giving the elements say 12, 34, 15, 67. For second element, we are giving 12, 15, 78, 34. So answer is 67, because you can see 67 was the only element which is not present in the second array, and rest all elements are common between the first and the second array. So this was our today's problem statement. I hope you got some insight with the solution. Thank you.